Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_home for 4. Today I'm going to show you how to curl my daughter's hair without using a curling iron. We tried to protect her hair because my hair has been through a lot. I use curling iron and hair straightener and it's been damaged, but I tried to curl my hair too without using a curling iron. But today I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to do it to my daughter's hair. Okay, so we need 4 things. We need this kind of elastic. We need comb, a hairbrush, and I just used a regular water bottle and I poked a hole in it. But if you have a bottle sprayer, that's going to be good too. So you can also use that. So the first thing you would want to do is to part her hair into section. Like that. And if you want big curls, you want to grab big section. If you want smaller curls, you want to grab smaller section too. But today I want to do like big curls. So just grab it like that. And then pour a little bit of water. Okay, make the hair a little bit damp. And look up a little bit, baby, so they can see. Okay, that's fine. You can get on with your phone now. And then starting from the bottom, you would want to twist it first, like that. Once you twist it, you make a little, like that. You make a little bun, or how do you call it? But kind of like roll it. Starting from the bottom. Keep on rolling. Like that. Give me a hair tie, baby. And then you tie it. It doesn't have to be perfect because sometimes loose and messy curls are really the best, so it looks like natural. And then once you have that little thingy there, just make it wet again. Let me grab you some towel, baby. Okay. And make it wet again, and then there's that. And then you're gonna want to keep going. So grab a section. Brush it. And then make it wet or make it damp. And then twist. And then roll. And then tie. Hair tie, please. Okay. Oh, let me, you know what? Open it up and I'm going to put it over here. And then put a little bit of water. If your hair is already wet from the shower or fresh from the shower, you can actually do this before going to bed. At night, twist and then roll and then tie. You don't have to make your hair wet because it's already damp from the shower. And then in the morning, you have curly hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the whole thing and I'll be right back. So I finished putting a hair tie on my daughter's hair, and now this is how it looks like. Okay, look at here, baby. Can you stand up? Let's look at the back side of it. So as you can see, it doesn't have to be perfect. They just need to be tied like little, like this one and like this one over here. We're gonna give it, I'm gonna spray this with more water or make it damp, and then we will untie it and I'll show it to you after that. Have like a plastic cap like this, you can also wrap your hair or your daughter's hair so that it doesn't bother her. So we're actually getting ready to remove it. We'll see how this goes. Okay, turn that way, face that way. Yeah. We'll remove one at a time. So this is what it looks like. Look at this in Darian. So we're gonna be removing each of the hair ties, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, turn that way, baby. Turn this way so they can see that side. Okay, and turn to mommy. Yeah, just like that. Mama. I'm sorry. Let me don't hug me. I mean, I like you to hug me, but I don't want to hurt you.
You won't accept my hug.
Of course I want your Of course I want your hug. Okay. 2 more. So if you're, if you want your daughter's hair or your hair to be curly, like going to school, you do it overnight, or, when like going to a school program or school event, you do it overnight or at least 2 hours before the event. Okay, now I'm gonna move the camera closer. Okay, and stand up, baby. Okay, and turn around.
Like separate them?
Yeah, separate them and turn around. Okay, this is what it looks like. Oh, one more. We forgot one more here.
Oh, no.
Okay, one more. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay, just stay there, baby. You want the camera too. Or maybe you want to sit down. It looks like you wanna like kind of like untangle it a little bit. Look up, baby. Look up a little bit, and then turn left a little bit. Okay. So this is like a really soft curls. But the good thing about this, it's not gonna damage the hair because there's no like heat involved. It's just water and hair tie, so it's really nice. Okay, stand up, baby.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Turn around and face the mirror. Looks like. It's really like soft curls. Move forward. Yeah, that lighting is good. You can tell the curls in there on that side. But I am going to take a picture of the after so you can tell. Now turn over here, baby. So I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to leave a like, or if you have any questions, leave your comments in the comments down below. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye!